Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making cinnamon rolls. This recipe is easy, oh my god, and these cinnamon rolls are so good. They are so soft and you can make them in the blink of an eye. So come on, let's go make some cinnamon rolls. But before I dive into today's video, I would like to welcome all my new and returning subscribers. You are all welcome to my channel, and if you are new, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So let's get into it. The first step is proofing the yeast. Add your yeast in warm water, then add in a little bit of sugar, give it a whisk, then cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. In another bowl, weigh out your flour and then sift it. This recipe calls for 4 cups of flour, but I couldn't find 1 cup. Then I decided to use half cup to weigh out the flour. That means I am adding 4 of it. I hope it makes sense to you guys. After sifting the flour, go ahead and add your sugar, 1 sachet of milk and a pinch of salt. Then we give everything a quick mix. So this is the yeast we've proofed. You see how the yeast is looking, and I will go ahead and add 1 egg, then whisk it. Then I'll go ahead and pour in my yeast mixture and give everything a quick mix. Now continue mixing while adding in your yeast mixture bit by bit. I'm using my hand because it's easier that way. So go ahead and keep adding in that yeast mixture bit by bit until you get a dough. The dough was a little bit hard, so I went ahead and sprinkled water on it and then continue kneading it until it became soft. At this point, I will add butter to it and continue kneading the dough. Flour your working surface and transfer the dough and continue kneading it. I have finished kneading my dough. Now I'll go ahead and grease my bowl and then place the flour in it and cover it. Then I'll keep it in a warm place. I kept mine in the oven, so keep it in a warm place and allow it to While I wait for my dough to rest, I'll go ahead and make the cinnamon filling. In here I added castor sugar, cinnamon powder, and I give everything a quick mix. Then I'll go ahead and add in my butter and mix everything very well until it. If you have brown sugar, it's the best for this recipe, but if you don't have brown sugar, go ahead and use the one you have. I'm using this white sugar because I don't have brown sugar at the time I was filming this video. Now go ahead and continue mixing until you get the desired outcome. This is how your cinnamon filling should look like. Now it's time to roll out the cinnamon rolls. So bring your dough and divide it into two. Take one part and then place it on your working surface, then spread it very well. You can see how I am spreading mine. Then bring that to your cinnamon filling and spread it on top of your dough. Make sure you spread it very well before you go ahead and roll it. Carefully roll your dough. You can see how I am rolling mine gently. If you want to cut your cinnamon rolls nicely, neatly, then please don't use knife, use a thread. If you try cutting your cinnamon rolls this way, I promise you, you wouldn't try it any other way. It's easier and your cinnamon rolls will come out neatly. Just take a look at mine. Go ahead and repeat the same step. After cutting them, put them in a pan and cover them. Place your cinnamon rolls in a warm place and let it sit for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now, while I bake my cinnamon rolls, let's make the frosting. In here I added half cup of icing sugar, then I added a little bit of milk in it. I don't really have a specific measurement for this frosting. As you can see, the frosting is too runny, so I'll go ahead and add another half cup of icing sugar so that I will get the right consistency I am looking for. this is exactly what I am looking for. Now my cinnamon rolls are done. I'll go ahead and serve them and eat them. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, please let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And if there's anything you'd like to see on my channel, please comment below and I will make that video for you, inshallah. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.